Today, I want to talk about a group of people who crawled into the blue collar world over the last few years, and in my opinion, they're ruining it. I'm talking about third party recruiting companies. Okay? These technician focused hiring platforms that love to say that they're disrupting the industry. These people do not give a single fuck about you, your career, or the trade. You're just a walking commission check to them. According to the media, we're in the middle of the worst technician shortage the industry has ever seen. And every single dealership, independent shop, and fleet shop in North America is in need of warm bodies. So if you're a technician with a toolbox and a pulse and you can't find a job on your own right now, there's a fucking problem. Every shop is hiring. You don't need a digital company to find you a job. All you got to do is go on Google and look at shops within a 10-mile radius of your house and drive over there at lunchtime. Ask to speak to the foreman, the manager. It's that simple. These recruiting companies only exist to create a problem that doesn't actually exist, just so they can charge a fee to solve it. And when these shops are paying for this, that's thousands of dollars leaving the shop. That's cash that could have gone towards your pay rate, your equipment in the shop, tool allowance, fixing your broken fucking lift. These platforms are simply taxing the industry's labor shortage for their own profit. The worst part is these companies risk absolutely nothing while you risk everything. They love to push what they call passive recruiting, which all that is corporate talk for trying to tempt a stable technician to jump ship. These companies are just basically using the labor shortage for their own profit, and they risk absolutely nothing. Well, the technician risks everything. If you're going to leave your shop you're at now because some fucking dealership paid this company thousands of dollars to have their bullshit page on their fucking website. Oh, we fair dispatching. We have fair dispatch. Everybody makes 70 hours a week. You know they're lying. They're just paying to advertise it. And this company is accepting the money to tell you that you should come work there. It's fucking bullshit. And then if you fall for it because of their fucking sales pitch and that new shop turns out to be a fucking shithole, that platform loses zero money and they don't give a fuck. They kept their cash and you're stuck in a dead bay in a shitty shop wondering how you're going to pay your mortgage. This industry doesn't need these fucking bullshit companies saying that they can find you a job. It's all a money grab, dude. Shops just need to pay people what they're worth and get rid of flat rate. If a shop is a good place to work, the technicians will say it's a good place to work and you won't have any issues finding techs. Any shop that has to pay a parasite company like these money to convince a technician to come work there is hiding something. So if you're out there using these apps, fucking stop, dude. Go to a fucking shop and talk to the manager face to face. Find out what it's really like. Go talk to the technicians. They'll tell you what it's like. Don't fall for these bullshit app companies and these bullshit recruiter companies that are getting paid bags to make you take your family and move them to a different fucking state. Take your kids out of school and move them to a different school. Don't fall for that bullshit. They're parasites, dude. If you did fall for this bullshit, comment below. Send me an email. Tell me how it was.